Uh. Yeah.
Hey everyone, it's review time, and today we'll be looking at a new creator called the Beholder Miniatures. This miniature is from their Orc faction called Avanor Orcs, from the game One Sin for Seven Kingdoms. I have to start off by saying I am absolutely in love with these miniatures. As soon as I saw these orcs, I went and subscribed to their tribes. When you download these STLs, you'll get several options from building these Orc Hippo Riders. You'll get 3 unique sculpts. One set you can make with dual hand weapon and shield, or shield and spear, or any of those combinations. The miniature's joints have pegs and slots, so this is very easy for you to build. It didn't take me very long to build this miniature. I did have a few issues with printing, so just so you know, I had to add extra supports to the back end of the hippo. But out of habit, I always support the feet of the models with heavies, and a few extra light supports here and there. The pre-supports that came with the miniature were very easy to remove with a little bit of hot water. I didn't get any pock marks and I was very happy with the results. I am very excited to see what else the Beholder Miniatures comes out with. I truly love all of their models they've got out so far.
That's alright with me. All you see is all you wanna be. But me, I just miss the forest for the trees.
I will be doing a painting tutorial for this miniature, so please keep a lookout for that.
Give me what I need, and I'll be out of it. Obsessed with things I could have tried.
Thank you all for watching this review. I'll leave links to Beholder Miniatures, Patreon, and Tribes in the description below. Please like and subscribe, and if there's anything you would like me to cover, please leave it in the comments below. And I will see you all in my next video.